In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on a laptop or desktop PC. By the end of this video, you'll have Google Chrome installed on your computer and you'll even be able to make it your default browser if you want. Let's go. First, click Start, then type Edge and press Enter. This will open Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser on Windows. Next, we'll type Download Google Chrome and then press Enter. This first link will be a link to download Chrome. Just click that and confirm you're taken to google.com/Chrome. If you don't want Google collecting usage data from you, uncheck this box here and then click Download Chrome. After that, the download will begin. And when it's ready, you'll see it in the upper right corner here. Just click Open File to launch it. If you don't see the file in the upper right, you can always open up Downloads and double-click the downloaded setup file to install Google Chrome. Click Yes if Windows shows you a security prompt, and then you'll see an installation window appear where it will download and install Google Chrome for you. When it's ready, it will launch automatically, and you can either sign in with your Google account or click Don't Sign In to use Chrome without signing in. You'll then be prompted to set Google Chrome as your default browser, so go ahead and do that if you'd like. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to get more valuable content like this. So now you have Google Chrome installed on your Windows PC, and now you can browse to your heart's content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you want to keep learning, check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.